Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use a background on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, remember you can use a background when you will record your video on TikTok. So first I will tap on this plus icon for recording a video on TikTok. And here before recording the video, you can see the option effect on the bottom left. Tap on it. These are the effects of TikTok, not the background. So that's why I'll search for background by tapping on this search icon. And here, write the same as me, I wrote background. And here are the backgrounds of TikTok. Just for example, I will use a background, and I think it's good, so that's why I'm tapping on it. Tap on the screen to switch background, tap on it. And for recording video, tap on this 15S, and here tap on this record button, and tap on the screen. Now record your video as you want with different backgrounds of TikTok. So it was the basic way by which you can use a background on TikTok.